Hi everyone, it's Michael from BetterTOEFLScores.com, and I just finished grading several TOEFL speaking practice tests sent to me by students who are currently subscribed to my speaking and writing feedback service. After listening to all the responses, I noticed a few common delivery problems that might be hurting your speaking score, even if your content and organization are decent. Let's go over some of these so you can avoid making the same mistakes. Number one, unnecessary repetition. One of the most common issues I notice is repetition. For example, a student might say, I believe that. I believe that studying at home is better because I believe that it helps students focus. Now, saying I believe that three times in one response is unnecessary and makes the speech sound robotic and repetitive. This hurts your fluency and your delivery score. Tip: use variety. Say I think, in my opinion, or just start with your reason directly. Number two, speaking too slowly, under 150 words per minute. TOEFL raters expect a fluent pace. Many of my students were speaking at or around 120 to 130 words per minute, which is too slow. This makes your ideas sound disconnected and affects your overall coherence. Tip: practice shadowing native speakers. Try TED Talks or YouTube interviews and aim to match their speed and rhythm. Your target is around 150 to 160 words per minute. Short, choppy thought groups. Number three. Another issue is frequent pauses due to very short thought groups, maybe 3 or 4 words per group. For example, my favorite class is math because I like numbers. Instead, aim for 5 or 6 words per thought group, like this. My favorite class is math because I like working with numbers. So notice in this case too, I think it's important to understand the grammar. So the grammar is important here. So we have the independent clause here. My favorite class is math, and I would even have my tone go up slightly. And then because I like working with numbers, we're not going to pause at all. We get to the very end, and the tone's going to drop there. So we're breaking this into one pause into two thought groups. So my favorite class is math because I like working with numbers. So it's important to have good thought groups. Make sure your thought groups are not too short. Tip: record yourself, play it back, and listen to your phrasing. Are you pausing too often? Are your sentences smooth? So, my final advice is this: focus on fluency. If you do have one of these three problems or all of these problems I just mentioned, remember, focus on fluency, not just taking a lot of practice tests. Here's the truth: taking dozens of practice tests won't help much if your delivery is weak. You need to focus on pronunciation and fluency training every day. How do you do this? Immerse yourself in English. Watch 10 to 15 minutes of English shows or YouTube videos without subtitles daily. Shadow native speakers. Pause and repeat exactly what they say, mimicking tone and speed. Read aloud for 5 minutes a day, then record and critique yourself. The more comfortable and natural you sound, the higher your speaking score will be. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more TOEFL tips. And if you're serious about improving your speaking and writing scores, check out my TOEFL speaking and writing feedback service at BetterTOEFLScores.com. See you in the next video, and happy studying.